Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, just right now, like 20 minutes ago, arrived the Frog 6-inch arms, and I've packaged everyone's packages, and I still have these left. I purchased a little bit extra just in case, some for myself and some if anyone wanted to purchase after seeing them. So we got the 6-inch arms here straight from Transtech for the Frog light, which is pretty insane. And I just got the BL 32 Tico 32 ESCs right now. I prepared everyone's shipments who's purchased, and they'll be shipped out either today or tomorrow morning. And yeah, everybody's shipments is right here. So some of the people that have been waiting, for those they just came, they've been stuck in customs for the longest time. They just came out. And so yeah, most of everybody's shipments that were stuck now are going to be shipped out either in a couple hours when I leave or tomorrow morning. Another thing, there is some possible, well, it is going to happen. Dalrc is, I've talked to Dalrc also to give us a great deal for a limited 10 pieces combo of their flight controller and their ESC. Their ESC is one of the best 4-in-1 ESCs I've ever tested, and they just sent me the new ones. So we're going to test them, and after their test, we're going to go ahead and pick up 10. If you guys want to pre-order, I'll have that set up on the website in a bit. And I'll just keep monitoring back if it's not there, the Dalrc stack. So I'll have a pre-order up to just 10 maximum. It's going to say in stock, but that's just the pre-order. If we do go over, so they give me a limit of 20, but we're going to go ahead and start with 10. But if we do hit the 20, they're going to give us all 20. So yeah, make sure first come, first serve basis kind of thing going on there. It's a complete stack with the flight controller and the Dalrc. So, and I do also have some Matex left over, and yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. So go ahead and check out the website. I'm adding more stuff, even the Fly Color budget ESCs. I just got them for us for absolutely cheap from Fly Color, which is super awesome. Those will be added in a little bit on the web shop also. So yeah, if you wanted to pick up some, this is the only 6-inch arms I have right here. So yeah, each one of these is a set basically. So yeah, this is like half a set here, but that's my set. Just forget about that. So it is 4mm, as you can tell right there. And I'm really working hard to get us great deals from these manufacturers to do the word of mouth marketing. Basically, it's a good product. I've tested it. I've tried it. I love it. It's good. I talk to them. I tell them to give it to us for cheap, so the people could actually test them out, try them out, and then obviously once you test them, you could recommend it for your friends, and that's how it works out great for all of us. And it does also support the channel slightly, but at the end of the time, I just want to just give back to the community as much as possible and the great companies that do great stuff for us. It's a win-win situation for all, and yeah, that's what I'm trying to do here. And you could also support me on Patreon. You get secret access. You get the stuff even cheaper than what it is, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. Everything ships out from EU. And yeah, I think that's really it, guys. So I can't wait to go ahead and build a Frog right now. So it's going to be a 6-inch Frog. I'm going to do it with the Dalrc stack. I don't know what motors to use just yet, but we're going to probably use something pretty damn insane. And I'm super excited right now. You guys have no idea. So yeah, this is just absolutely awesome. 6-inch arms finally for the Frog, just arrived like 20 minutes ago. So yeah, I have I think 12 sets left or something of that nature. So if you want some, go ahead and pick them up. And if we do get some back orders, then I'll go ahead and contact Transtech, see if they could do us another limited batch, which is going to be pretty awesome. So I'm really going after this, guys. I really want this to work out, and I really want the best for all of us, and at the same time creates win-win situations for all of us. So that's the whole idea here. I'm still working on the shipping. Shipping prices have been changed slightly for some things, and I'm still getting it down. And currently, I'll just open a business account if I do end up registering this as not a hobby and as a real business. But I'm not in this for the business. I'm in this for the hobby right now, and I really want to give back. The website is just something a little extra here. So yeah, this is pretty awesome. So I got a couple sets left with the Transtech. The people that ordered, they'll be shipped out maximum tomorrow morning. I do apologize for the wait, but they were just stuck in customs. BL Tico 32 ESCs only have 4-in-1 ESCs only have 5 left. So if you wanted a 4-in-1 ESC, a Tico 4-in-1 Holybro Tico 4-in-1 ESC, I only have 5 left. So you could see that on the website. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. The Fly Color, I'm also gonna be adding a lot of new things. So just keep checking that place, and it's just gonna be pretty damn awesome. Everything is absolutely hella cheap, and like, you know, some people might say, okay, well, it comes out to basically the same thing as Banggood. Well, if you order 2, then it comes out actually cheaper. It's just because of the shipping rates right now. I'm still working on them, and once I get a business account, basically it's just they're gonna drop the rates for me, and it'll be even cheaper. But currently, this is the only way I could really do it right now. Yeah, it's very close. Sometimes I pay a little extra for shipping for my own money. Sometimes it's only like $1 to $2 difference for shipping usually, so it's just right on the right on the target here. And you also help the channel, and you get something pretty awesome in return. So I am talking to these manufacturers, trying to get us a lot of good things. Especially the best things that I've tested. That's the only people who I talk to get us the great deals. It's good for all of us, and I really want this to work, and I really want you guys to enjoy this, and I really want to make something great out of this. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So go ahead and check out the website, download the application. If you download the application, it's best so you don't miss out, because I release the push notifications, and the push notifications, you get the first notification about what just happened. Sometimes I do some crazy price drops. And also sign up to the newsletter at the bottom of the website so you don't miss out on what's upcoming, because there's a lot of upcoming crazy stuff right now. Fly color. I've also talked to Hakcrc. Hakcrc is also going to give us some about 10 of them or so. So it's going to be pretty interesting and pretty cool. So yeah, go ahead and check out the shop. There's going to be some awesome new things coming along, and some awesome bundles added. Just keep monitoring it. I'm changing it slightly and adding more stuff, and working on it very well. So this stuff is all in stock now. Ignore if I said anything's in back order. Everything that's in stock is currently in stock. So yeah, if you wanted yours really quick, basically you purchase, and next day I go ahead and ship them if I do have them. So I ship right away. I don't even sleep on it. So basically, if you order before the post office closes, I'll just go ship it usually. But if I can't, if I'm making a video, then the next day will be shipped immediately, especially if I have them. So right now I just received them. Tomorrow morning everyone should receive their tracking number who purchased, and what's left will be just, you can see it on the website. It'll tell you how many in stock are left. And I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and please consider checking it out. I mean, you have nothing to lose. 6-inch arms for the frog is pretty insane, and you also get other crazy cool good stuff. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. See you guys, take care.